Looking to make something amazing and, of course, easy in your own kitchen? Well, here at Asai Guy Cooks, we have a great recipe for you with coffee biscuits. So let's get started. Let's start with the dry ingredients. Instant coffee crystals work best. Next up, the wet ingredients. Butter makes everything taste better. Let's build the biscuits. Set your timer for 15 minutes. And as always, ovens do vary. Coffee's history spans centuries with origins in Ethiopia and Yemen. Coffee spread from the Arabian Peninsula to Europe, becoming a global force that influenced culture and commerce. Coffee reached what is now New York City in the mid-1600s. Today, sustainability, transparency, and ready-to-drink options continue to grow. Those look great right out of the oven. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. This is what we've been waiting for. Let's try one. Wow, these coffee biscuits are packed with real coffee flavor and are perfect for breakfast, brunch, or any snack with your favorite cup of coffee. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment or question below. The complete recipe can be found in the description box below the video, so head to the kitchen. It's your turn. You got this. Now that's a great coffee companion. Stay with us. Watch the next videos.